The history of Coca-Cola is a fascinating tale that stretches back to the late 19th century, filled with innovative marketing, a secret formula, and global expansion. Here's a quick rundown. The birth of a beverage, 1886. In 1886, Atlanta pharmacist John Pemberton concocted a syrup containing extracts of cola nut and coca leaves. Cocaine was removed later. He initially marketed it as a temperance drink and a medicinal tonic at Jacob's Pharmacy in Atlanta. His bookkeeper, Frank Robinson, is credited with naming the drink and creating the iconic logo in flowing script. Coca-Cola's production process is interesting for two main reasons: the secret syrup recipe and the franchised bottling system. The secret syrup. The exact recipe for Coca-Cola syrup is a closely guarded secret Wikipedia. It's likely a variation of what John Pemberton, the drink's inventor, wrote down in his diary. This recipe includes things like caffeine, citrus acid, and a mysterious flavoring ingredient called Merchandise 7X. This syrup is produced by Coca-Cola itself in large batches. Franchised bottling. The Coca-Cola company itself only produces the syrup concentrate. They then sell this syrup to bottlers around the world who have exclusive contracts for certain territories. These bottlers take the syrup concentrate and mix it with filtered water and sweeteners to create the final drink you see in stores. Bottlers also carbonate the beverage, adding the fizz, and bottle it in cans and containers. So, while the exact flavor formula remains a mystery, the general production process involves creating a syrup concentrate, mixing it with water and sweeteners, carbonating it, and bottling it. Filling and packaging. The finished beverage is then transferred to a chilling system to maintain optimum temperature. High-speed bottling lines take over, filling a multitude of cans, glass bottles, or plastic bottles with the precise amount of drink. The containers are automatically capped and sealed. Labeling and inspection. Labels are applied, and every bottle or can undergoes a rigorous quality control check to ensure there are no defects or inconsistencies. Daily consumption. An estimated 1.7 billion servings of Coca-Cola are consumed worldwide every single day. Did you know? Recipe revelation. The original recipe for Coca-Cola is a closely guarded secret, but we do know the name comes from two of its original ingredients: coca leaves and cola nuts. Medicinal roots. Believe it or not, Coca-Cola was originally intended to be a medicine. In 1886, pharmacist John Pemberton created it as a nerve tonic to relieve headaches and exhaustion. Globally recognized, Coca-Cola is the second most recognized term in the world, after OK. That's a lot of brand recognition. Space-age beverage. Coca-Cola can claim to be the first soft drink enjoyed in space. In 1985, astronauts on the Space Shuttle Challenger sipped on specially designed Coke cans. Packaging and distribution. The finished Coca-Cola products are grouped into cases or onto pallets. These are then readied for shipment to warehouses, distributors, and ultimately, stores and vendors where you can buy them. It's important to remember that Coca-Cola bottlers operate under strict guidelines and quality control measures set by the Coca-Cola Company to ensure a consistent taste and experience for consumers worldwide. Here's the journey of a Coca-Cola bottle after you're done with it. 1. Collection. After you finish your drink, recycle the bottle by placing it in the designated recycling bin. Coca-Cola partners with organizations like the Pet Collection Company to collect these bottles. 1. 2. Sorting. At the recycling facility, the bottles are sorted along with other recyclables. 3. Baling. The sorted bottles are compacted into large bales for easier transport. 4. Flaking. The bales are opened, and the bottles are crushed and shredded into small flakes. 5. Washing. The flakes are thoroughly washed to remove any contaminants like dirt or leftover beverage. 6. Melting. The clean flakes are melted into a molten plastic liquid. 7. Pelletizing. The molten plastic is extruded and chopped into small pellets. These are like tiny plastic beads. 8. Remanufacturing. The recycled plastic pellets, rPET, can now be used to create new Coca-Cola bottles or other PET plastic products like clothing or carpet fibers. 4. This process helps reduce reliance on virgin plastic and creates a more circular economy for PET plastic. Coca-Cola aims to use at least 50% recycled material in their packaging by 2030. Today, Coca-Cola remains a leading beverage company with a rich history of innovation and marketing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more sports content.